Now we're going to move forward to the Sportsbook, which is our flagship product. It's our best product. It's something that we're very proud of. It took a lot of time to develop, and it took a lot of work to set up over the course of about 6 years that we've been working on this. And we've had ups and downs. We've had times when particular features that were required were not there, and then we've also had times when we were actually able to say that we had a lot more functionality than the average website requires. For instance, starting with the content management system that allows us to create beautiful and unique websites according to our operators requirements. We can have any kind of graphic design implemented on our platform, and we can have any kind of logo and any kind of domain name can be used, and any kind of um, graphics or level of graphics. We have more an image driven website or a text driven website or a flash driven website. This is all because of the content management system that we have. Of course, each one of our sportsbooks comes with a managed 99.99% guaranteed hosting, as well as bandwidth and security. And it also comes with sports content feeds, which are very, very important. And we're going to discuss those in a few minutes, why data feeds are so important for sports betting operations. Live betting, which is a special part of the sports book, it's integrated, but it needs to run on a separate set of clusters because it's getting hit every time a user hits a sportsbook. For instance, it generates a huge amount of traffic and a huge amount of hits to the database. And we also offer integrated risk management applications, which can be half manual controlled. So let's say you want to limit a particular account or limit betting on a particular market or change the odds in some way or get alerts when something happens or doesn't happen on the sportsbook. And also automated, we get, for instance, we have a little bit of artificial intelligence level code that checks everything happening through the sportsbook in real time and flags accounts based on specific set of rules. Then this is all controlled through the administration panel that we have, which most of you are familiar with. I'm going to open this briefly so we can visualize what I was referring to. And this is the administrative panel. This is the dashboard, the service dashboard, which gives us some menu options and a bunch of warnings and a bunch of latest news over here at the right. We're going to go back to this shortly. Now, starting with the content management system that we have, I'm going to show you a few examples of websites that we designed and user interfaces that we designed using our CMS, which is integrated now, is an integrated part of the admin panel and not the affiliate panel anymore. So this, for example, this is a greenish website that we designed initially for a client, and then we turned into a demo. And this particular website also has an Arabic version, including right to left support. I'm going to open that in just a second. Sportsbook LU. So I'm going to open the Arabic version of this website and place it over here on the screen. There we go. So this is right to left writing, which is pretty awesome. I mean, most of the operators out there don't have something like this. We know how long it took to develop, and there we go. So everything is pretty much inverted. We also have the possibility of moving the sports menu to the right and so on and so forth. We're going to open the sign up form as another example. This is an easier way to visualize how right to left support looks like for this website. There we go. It's pretty much how it looks like. Even the tooltips are translated and so on and so forth. Well, I'm not sure if our prospects from Australia are here, but I'm going to show something else. infinitywager.com. So this is another one of our websites, of our demo websites that were created for a prospect based in Australia. Again, it's based on their design. We've pretty much implemented this on our content management system. Here's the beautiful part about it. When you switch to Australian English, this is what happens. So this is again as an example of our capabilities. There we go. So this is Australian English, and we can do all sorts of things like this. We can customize the website to pretty much any extent. We can do all sorts of tricks. We are using CSS3. We are using actually a lot of CSS3 through our TMS and through our designs, and we're also using a lot of HTML5. I'm going to switch this back to American English so we can view it normally. There we go. Now coming back to our first slide, this is BetVault, which is another one of our demo sites. We've been changing some of the things on the front end. We've added these little icons over here, and we have some nice slideshow style effects. I'm going to maximize this over here. We are also adding widgets like this, which can be added to using our content management system. They can be added to any one of the pages of the website. It's going to show us the score over here, and we have a quick link to the event, and we have a bunch of other quick links that we can use to open various sections of the website and various things on the website. BetVault is also our technology playground. It's located on a separate staging servers cluster, actually. It's not a server anymore. So BetVault is the place where we try out any kind of new feature, new development, new functionality that we want to add to the casinos and to the sportsbook. So the first place to look at to check out something new would be BetVault. This is another example of a demo site. There we go. Again, different graphic design and different layout and different style compared to other websites, compared to the websites that we've seen previously. And this is all possible through our content management system. There we go. This is Premier Slots. It's a demo we are currently working on. It will be finished in a few days. It's actually a matter of placing some content in some of the static pages, but you can check it out if you like. So there we go. Another example of a splash page, of a graphic design that we designed and implemented using our content management system. So this is the kind of graphic design that we do. We can also do shiny things like this. We can also do serious things like this. We can also do even more serious things like various other websites that we can show you. And that's what the content management is for. And that you can also change your own website design at any time using the content management system. You can upload images, you can change the style sheet of the website, you can create static pages, and we're actually going to pass presentation to my colleague Bilan pretty soon, who will be showing you how the content management system works. He'll be running a practical example on creating a static page and applying the design, the CSS design, the CSS rules, and so on and so forth.